Alright guys, so our machines come with these rubber gaskets, which works pretty good to seal the ink from getting up to the print head. But if we want to go one step further, I suggest using the print head sealant, which is just a silicone, but it's a specially formulated silicone. And here's how we do that. Take this out of the box. We'll go ahead and take our new 29-pin ribbon cables, and we need to make 100% sure they're incorrect. So you can see the silver pins at the top of this, the silver pins on this side. Notice they're not on this side. The silver pins to the silver pins have to connect. So we'll go ahead and plug this in here. And we'll plug this one in here. Okay. Now we'll open our silicone. And we got silicone down here underneath all the way across. And we'll push that down into that. Then we'll come connect that silicone, bring it up here, down, and connect back to that silicone. We'll do the same thing on this side. Right up against these pins. Make sure your silicone right here has been smoothed out. Right there. All right, it's ready to install. All right, let this dry, then it's ready to install. All right, guys, now this will make it so your 29-pin cables will not be replaceable if you do this. If your cable should fail, you'd have to replace your print head. That's why we leave them undone. However, if you keep having a problem with ink getting on your lines, this might be a good way to save some print heads.